Understanding Quantum Physics, a Beginner's Guide. Welcome to the fascinating world of quantum physics, where the impossible becomes possible and the invisible becomes visible. Quantum physics explores the smallest particles in the universe, atoms and subatomic particles, revealing their mysterious behavior. Unlike classical physics, where objects have a defined position and speed, quantum particles exist in a state of probabilities. This introduces the concept of superposition, where particles can be in multiple states at once, until observed. Another mind-bending concept is entanglement, where particles become interconnected, instantly affecting each other, regardless of distance. These principles not only challenge our understanding of reality but also pave the way for groundbreaking technologies like quantum computing. Join us as we dive deeper into quantum physics, unraveling the mysteries of the universe, one quantum at a time. Unlocking the mysteries of quantum physics, a beginner's guide. Imagine diving into the heart of atoms, where the universe reveals its most mysterious secrets. Welcome to quantum physics, a world beyond imagination. Here, particles can be in multiple places at once. It sounds like magic, but it's the science of the very small. Quantum physics challenges our traditional views, showing us that reality isn't as straightforward as we once thought. Even more fascinating is entanglement, where particles, no matter the distance, are connected in an intimate dance of states. This realm is not just theoretical. It's leading to breakthrough technologies in computing, communication, and beyond. Understanding quantum physics opens your mind to the endless possibilities of the universe. It's a journey into the unknown, the foundation of everything. So, let's embark on this adventure together, exploring the mysteries of quantum physics, where every discovery is a step into the future.